Looking to capture stunning photos and videos? The top 5 best mirrorless camera for beginners offers incredible image quality, lightweight design, and easy-to-use features. Perfect for aspiring photographers, it helps you unleash creativity and take your skills to the next level. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Canon EOS R6 Mirrorless Camera for Beginners. The Canon EOS R6 mirrorless camera is an exceptional choice for beginners seeking high performance and professional quality results without the steep learning curve. Featuring a 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, this camera delivers stunning image quality with remarkable clarity, depth, and color accuracy. The Digic X image processor enhances its performance, providing an impressive ISO range of 100 to 102,400, expandable to 204,800, which ensures excellent low-light capabilities for night photography or dimly lit environments. One of its standout features is the high-speed continuous shooting capability, offering up to 12 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and an astonishing 40 frames per second with the silent electronic shutter. This, combined with raw burst mode and pre-shooting captures at approximately 30 frames per second, allows beginners to easily capture fast-moving subjects or action sequences. Autofocus performance is top-notch, thanks to the dual-pixel CMOS AF2 covering the entire 100% x 100% frame with 1053 AF zones. The advanced subject detection technology identifies people, animals, and vehicles and now includes aircraft, trains, and horses, making it ideal for travel or wildlife photography. For beginners, this camera provides a perfect balance of cutting-edge features and user-friendly controls, allowing new photographers to experiment and grow while achieving professional results. Its robust build and ergonomic design make it comfortable to hold for long periods, while the silent shutter ensures discreet shooting when needed. Overall, the Canon EOS R6 is a versatile, high-performance mirrorless camera that empowers beginners to explore photography creatively without limitations. Number 2. Canon EOS Rebel T7 Mirrorless Camera for Beginners. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 mirrorless camera is an excellent entry-level option for beginners looking for a dependable, easy-to-use camera with solid performance. Equipped with a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, it delivers clear and detailed images with vibrant colors. Its ISO range of 100 to 6,400, expandable to 12,800, ensures flexibility for various lighting conditions, whether shooting outdoors in bright sunlight or indoors under low light. The camera features a 9-point autofocus system and AI servo AF, which makes tracking moving subjects easier, allowing beginners to capture sharp images even in dynamic situations. One of the camera's highlights is the built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity, making it simple to share photos and videos directly to smartphones or social media platforms without complicated transfers. The optical viewfinder provides approximately 95% viewing coverage, helping users compose shots accurately and intuitively, while the Canon EOS Utility Webcam Beta software allows the camera to double as a high-quality webcam on both Mac and Windows devices. This makes it a versatile tool for video calls, streaming, or content creation. Additionally, compatibility with Canon EF lenses, including EFS lenses, opens a wide range of creative possibilities, giving beginners room to experiment with focal lengths, perspectives, and depth of field effects. Lightweight and compact, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is comfortable to carry for long shoots and travel. Number 3. Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless Camera for Beginners. The Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera is a feature-rich and highly capable camera that provides beginners with an impressive platform to learn photography and videography. Boasting a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor paired with the Digic X processor, it delivers stunning clarity, vibrant colors, and sharp details, making every shot visually striking. High-speed continuous shooting is a key advantage, allowing up to 12 frames per second with the electronic first curtain shutter and up to 15 frames per second with the electronic shutter, ensuring fast-moving subjects are captured with ease. Autofocus is advanced thanks to the dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, which covers 100% of the frame with 651 AF zones and offers intelligent subject detection for people, animals, and vehicles using deep learning technology. This makes it particularly well-suited for vlogging, action shots, and travel photography. The R50 also excels in low-light conditions, aided by A+ Assist, which automatically optimizes settings for night or backlit scenes. Video capabilities are equally impressive, including 6K oversampled uncropped 4K video at 30 frames per second and full HD high frame rate recording at up to 120 frames per second, allowing beginners to create professional quality content. Its 2.36 million electronic viewfinder and Clearview LCD 2 vari-angle touchscreen provide flexible composition options, perfect for selfies, vlogging, or challenging angles. Built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi allow seamless wireless connectivity for transferring files or remote shooting using Canon's Camera Connect app. With its combination of intuitive controls, cutting-edge technology, and versatility in both photography and videography, the Canon EOS R50 is a superb mirrorless camera for beginners seeking to explore creative possibilities and grow their skills. Number 4. FLATIC mirrorless camera for beginners. The FLATIC mirrorless camera is an affordable yet powerful option for beginners who want to start photography and video creation with minimal hassle. With a 64MP sensor and 6K video recording capabilities, it captures ultra-clear, detailed images and crisp, high-resolution videos, making it ideal for travel, vlogs, or creative projects. The autofocus system ensures sharp images with accurate subject tracking, even during dynamic shots. For those interested in content creation, this camera supports slow-motion video recording and time-lapse features, which allow users to capture action or create unique visual effects effortlessly. It also offers continuous shooting and automatic shooting while recording, enabling a flexible approach to both photography and video capture. A built-in self-timer with multiple delay options ensures stable, hands-free shots for group photos or tripod use. Connectivity is a major advantage, as Wi-Fi allows instant transfer and sharing of photos and videos on social media, while HDMI output lets users preview content on larger screens. Additionally, the external microphone input significantly improves audio quality, making FLATIC a strong choice for vloggers, YouTubers, or video streamers who want clear and professional sound. Lightweight and compact, this mirrorless camera is easy to carry for everyday use or travel. Number 5. Canon 3380C132 mirrorless camera for beginners. The Canon 3380C132 mirrorless camera is a compact, versatile, and beginner-friendly camera that balances performance and ease of use. It features a high-quality RF lens with a versatile zoom range of 24 to 105 mm, allowing users to capture wide landscapes, as well as detailed close-ups with optical image stabilization providing up to 5 stops of shake correction. Its autofocus system ensures precise focus even at close distances, with maximum magnification of 0.4x and minimum focusing distances ranging from 0.43 to 0.66 feet, depending on the mode used. Video recording is impressive, with 4K UHD resolution ensuring high detail footage suitable for content creation, vlogging, or personal projects. Like other Canon mirrorless cameras, it is compatible with the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software, enabling high-quality webcam functionality on Mac and Windows, or using clean HDMI output for professional streaming and video calls. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it is easy to carry and operate for beginners, offering intuitive controls that simplify learning photography techniques. The combination of compact design, robust lens, and versatile shooting options makes the Canon 3380C132 suitable for both still photography and video recording. With its focus on user-friendly performance, high-quality imaging, and modern connectivity, this mirrorless camera provides an excellent entry point for aspiring photographers and content creators looking to capture memorable images and videos without compromising on quality or ease of use. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.